Right, day 2 here on the wall project. So I got a rough grade, kind of where the lower finished grade is going to be. I got a couple paint marks based on our survey, roughly where the face, or I guess roughly where the property line is. So I'm going to go a little bit back from the property line. Eventually we plan on tearing down this house, dividing the lot in half and building 2. So I want the wall to be set back enough that when we do the foundation on the first house here, it doesn't affect the wall. So we're actually doing a continuous concrete footer. It's going to be about 18 inches thick with some rebar, and that way the wall will be completely tied together. If somebody gets a little bit greedy with their excavation, not a big deal. So I'm going to lay that out, and we'll dig a little trench, get some concrete poured in, and should be ready to build tomorrow. The weather has turned drastically from full-on summer temperatures in the 80s down to, I think it was about 40 degrees this morning. Keep in mind, that's me doing a quick mental conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So, or I guess Celsius to Fahrenheit. So it's about 5 degrees this morning, 6 degrees. So whatever that converts to, I think it's about 40. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. We'll lay this out, dig a little trench, and soon we'll have a wall. So I completely forgot that I had booked in a bin for some dirt, so let's go load that bin quick. Concrete showed up a bit earlier than I had hoped, so I really had to hustle. Working by myself is enjoyable in certain ways, but can be pretty damn tiring, such as on a concrete pour day. Either way, we got it figured out, and that's all that matters. Whew. All right, well, I am sufficiently out of breath. That was a bit of a workout. The bank was a little soft, so we had a few touch and go moments, but we got it all poured. So this footing is about 18 inches thick. It's got 4 runs of 15M, I guess number 5 fiberglass rebar. It's about 60-ish feet long. So we're gonna get started on the wall tomorrow. Looks like rain. I got another site I have to get to today. So I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to showing you guys the progress on this wall. Stay tuned.